In this tutorial, we are going to address ways to adapt accessibility when building Fall Guys maps. Here you can see that I have the edit option at the top of the screen, and with the Xbox controller, it is going to be the X button. Different console controllers may have different controls, and those will be provided at the beginning of this video for your reference. I am going to now edit. First, you can see that we have the option to rename our round. In order to choose this, we need to click the A button on the Xbox. You can see our options are at the bottom right corner, and we'll click A. And in order to edit this name, I need to click X, and I am currently playing on my laptop, so it's going to let me use my keyboard to type it in. But on any other console, you should have a keyboard pop-up that will help you type in your name. We are going to rename this one Hello. Here you can see it has changed the name to Hello. The next option is to add or edit your description. You can type whatever you want in here to detail what your map is all about. It is not necessary, but may be fun to put a little saying in there relating to your map. Our next option, we have different backgrounds we can choose from. Our original, Halloween, digital, medieval, future, winter, space, volcano, and then back to original. Next, we have our max player count. We love to have it all the way up to the max players you can have, which is 40, so that anybody and everybody can join our rounds if they want. Next, we have our qualifying percentage. We like to keep this all the way up to 100%. This gives everybody the option to finish, and not one person is chosen as a winner. Everybody gets to go all the way through the map. For our time limit, we like to make it our max time, which is 10 minutes, because different people may not have the ability to get through the map very fast, so this gives them ample time to be able to make it to the end. Our last option here is our tags. We can choose this, and it gives us the option to pick 2 different tags that we can use to describe the map. So if you like to run around, you can use parkour. It just gives it a little fun, quirky tag. And then we have our round tracks. These are different music themes that you can go through and choose. It just makes it fun. There's faster ones, slower ones, silly ones, funny ones. There are definitely a lot of them to choose from. Thank you for joining my tutorial on ways to adapt accessibility.